In this video, we'll show you what to do if your MSI laptop keyboard is not working all of a sudden. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you'll first need to expand keyboards. Now here you should see your keyboard driver. In most cases it will be standard keyboard. Simply right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now click uninstall again to confirm. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your MSI laptop and see if the issue is resolved. If not, go to the settings app. In here, go to this Windows Update tab right here and make sure there are no pending updates available. If there are, make sure to install them right away. Additionally, you should also go to this advanced options and then go to this optional updates. Here check if there are any driver updates available for your MSI laptop. If there are, simply select them and then install them from here. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply hard reset your MSI laptop. For that, shut down your laptop and unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your MSI laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, simply turn on your MSI laptop and the keyboard should work fine. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.